4 ingredients is all you need to make these healthy and delicious protein pumpkin crepes. So let's jump right into it. P.S. There's a high protein filling recipe in here too. To make these quick, take out a blender or shaker bottle. Add right into it 1/4 cup of pumpkin, 6 egg whites, 1 scoop of your choice protein, and 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. Today, with the help of the sponsor of this recipe, I'm using this Process Vanilla 100% real whey protein, but you could use chocolate or any other complementing flavor to pumpkin here. Next, go ahead and blend or shake up your mix until your clumps are gone. Let that rest for a couple minutes. From here, take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on low-medium heat, and add some butter or coat your pan with non-stick cooking spray. Pour a thin layer of your mix into the middle of your pan and rotate your pan to spread your mix around. The amount you use will depend on the size pan you're using. Let that cook for a minute or two, flip it over, and let it cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat until your mix is gone. Now for an optional high protein filling, mix together 3 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin, 2 ounces of a Greek yogurt, 1/2 scoop of protein powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a little optional sweetener. A hand mixer will make this step easier. When it's all done, they should look like this. You should get around 2 large crepes or 4 to 5 small ones with the listed amounts here. Additionally, you can easily scale this recipe on the proteinchef.co to make more or less. With that said, here's a question. Where are you from and what's your favorite breakfast food? Let me know in the comments below and maybe I'll put a spin on it. Moving on to the sponsor of this video, Process. If you haven't heard of them, it's actually insane how many products they have. I'll throw a link below to check them out. You can also use my coupon code CHEF for 10% off if you see anything you want to try. A couple of my favorites so far, these cookies and brownies. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. Subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.